Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Zeta Gundam Helmet Build Series Part 1. I already have the helmet printed in 8 different parts, and now I'm just going to PLA weld them all together. The prints came out great. As you can see here, this is one of the antennas, and here is the center part of the V fin holder. As you can see, that turned out really nice. It took about 1,200 grams of PLA. Each of the side 2 back parts, that took about like 330 grams. So in total, it took about 2 days to print all together, all the timing together. So let's get welding. Okay, I have the helmet welded together. I see a lot of post work that needs to be done. There's this big seam going down the middle towards the top that I need to take care of, which shouldn't be too hard to cover up because I'll just do some more PLA welding and some Bondo spot putty and some regular Bondo. So let's give this helmet a try and see how it fits. Okay, helmet needs some padding first to make it fit better, so just give me a minute. I will work on trying to find some padding for this. Alright, I just cut out a simple piece of 6mm foam, so I'm going to add this inside, and hopefully this will make it fit better. Let's give this another shot. I need some more padding in there still. It's because it's very top heavy with this huge crown on here, so I got to take another piece and put it in the front. Nope, still falling forward. Let's try this. Nope. No, it's still not working. So, what if I'll knock everything over? Let's do that. Helmet's still falling forward, but I gotta figure out how to prevent that from happening. What I might do is add some padding right here so it just rests on my chin. So give me a little bit. I'm going to work on, see if I can make this fit. Nope, that's still... Okay, so I've added more padding, so now we're going to give this a shot and see how it works. There you go. Helmet fits now. As you can see, here is all the padding that I added, and I'll just eventually just glue that in once I work on filling the seams better. And most people don't know, with printing Gundam helmets, they are one of the most complicated helmets to print because it's not a natural shape, and you have a lot of like empty space in here. And when you're doing your scaling, you got to consider the parts that go inside, that come in more. Like over here, it juts in some, and also the top part, there's a big empty void up there. You have to compensate for that as well. So the next step is going to be to finish welding this all together and then filling this seam along the side, and also to make sure that both of these antenna are solid, because first one, it's not too bad. This one, they move just a little bit, but I gotta figure out how to solidify it more so it doesn't move that much and fall and break off. That is it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.